Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be moving over to the other studio and I'm going to take you through a step-by-step portrait. This portrait today guys is going to be Dave Grohl from the Foo Fighters. They're going to be still shots all the way through this process, so you'll see in little still shots the progression on how I painted it, and at the end of the video I'll give you a little talk through and a little pan round of the finished piece. See you in a bit guys. There's the finished picture of Dave Grohl. I hope you picked up enough in them little slide shots there going through. But I'll just talk you through the process. We started off, this is a heavyweight paper. It's about a 280 gram this is, and it's got a texture in it as well. We started off on the portrait just penciling in. I projected the image up and then just went round and got some little pencil lines where I needed them. And then we started off with some real light tones, just working in textures around the face, and we dropped the eyes in, dropping them nice real light, just building them layers up. We started moving on to the hair, dropping the hair in, just following the reference on the TV screen that you've seen in them shots there, working down, and then worked in all the goatee around there, dropped a bit of the top in, and then we darkened off round the outside. So that's the finished piece. I hope you enjoyed the video. All my portraits are available guys. They are available in the originals like this, and I can get prints for you as well. So if there's any portraits that you like, just drop some comments below. We'll have a chat and I can get these sent out to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.